Hi, I'm Catherine from Just Fabrics, and today I'm going to show you how to make a fabric box using a William Morris fabric and also a ticking fabric. You will need some thread, a needle, scissors, tape measure, pins, interfacing, fabric and your lining. Cut out 2 of your main fabric pieces, 40 centimetres by 40 centimetres. Also, cut out 2 pieces of your lining fabric, 40 centimetres by 40 centimetres. Now cut out your interfacing, 2 pieces, again at 40 centimetres by 40 centimetres. Now using your main fabric, cut a square out of the 2 bottom corners 9 centimetres by 9 centimetres. Repeat this on the interfacing. Pin the interfacing to both of the main fabric pieces. Iron on the interfacing. Pin these pieces right sides facing together. Sew around the edges, leaving a gap at one place and also leaving the top edge unsewn. Pin the corners together and sew along the pinned edges. Repeat these steps with your lining fabric. Pull the main fabric right way around. Now put this main fabric inside the lining and now pin the top edges together. Sew these along the pinned edge. Now pull the fabric through the gap you left. Hand sew the hole in the lining closed. Now form into shape and you have your basket. I hope you enjoyed that video on how to make a fabric basket. As you can see, it's a really easy and simple make to do at home. Have a look on our website for more inspiration and how-to guides, and also we've got lots more William Morris craft fabrics.